Moringa for hair growth? We've all heard of jojoba and argan oil, but moringa? In this video, we'll be looking at how to use moringa to restore hair, things to consider, and some of the best moringa oil products. So if you want to know exactly how the benefits of moringa are applied in hair restoration, then definitely stay tuned till the end of the video. Hi guys, you've seen Arslan Media Pharmacist here on YouTube. If you guys want to learn more about making informed decisions about your health and wellness in an easy to understand way, then I'd love for you all to click that red subscribe button down below. Also give this video a like if you enjoy learning about topics like these. Now let's not waste any more time. Let's start off by looking at what is moringa oil. Moringa oil is derived from the seeds of Moringa oleifera, a small tree native to the Himalayan mountains, and its uses have been studied in inflammation, cholesterol management, and weight loss, which I've already made a video up here that you should check out after this video. This video looks at its applications for hair loss, so let's look at that in a little bit more depth. For hair loss, the benefits you find are that it moisturizes, it strengthens, and it protects the hair. And those who have primarily dry, brittle, and even color-treated hair can benefit from moringa oil because it goes back to the hair strand. And what do I mean by this? You see, moringa is packed with amino acids, which are the building blocks of cells. And there are a handful of them that are important in hair growth that I'll name for you. You have arginine, cysteine, lysine, and methionine, and guess what? They're all abundant in moringa. So now that we have some background information on moringa, let's look at three main potential areas that moringa tackles when it comes to hair that I think is important to have a general understanding of. What makes hair healthy, full, shiny, elastic, and does moringa actually have any benefits to the actual hair strands themselves? Let's start with the scalp. You see, in moringa oil, you get a concentration of monounsaturated fats made up mostly of oleic acid. And guess what? Oleic acid is excellent for cleansing the scalp while protecting its moisture levels. Well, what about promoting the actual hair to grow? Does it do that? Well, moringa is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which locks in moisture and also promotes hair growth. What we also know is that omega-3 prevents hair follicle inflammation, which is a factor that can directly contribute to hair loss. And because moringa is rich in omega-3, we help promote circulation in the scalp that may trigger hair growth. And lastly, what about for shine and elasticity? Because that is also an issue. Well, moringa contains behenic acid, which is a saturated, very long chain fatty acid with a 22 carbon backbone. But what does that really mean? That means moringa oil can potentially provide a solution to dull, brittle strands. Because when you have a long saturated fatty acid chain like this one, it can act as a natural conditioner for shiny and bouncy hair. And I know I'll get asked this question about whether or not I can use it with other oils. The thing is, yes, you can use it with other oils such as carrier oils, which are plant oils such as avocado or coconut that are used as a vehicle to help deliver the oil to the targeted area. And now for the big question, how can you incorporate it? How would you even use moringa oil for hair growth? There are plenty of ways to do this, but to experiment with first is to start with 2 cups of a carrier oil such as almond oil or one that has moisturizing properties, 5 to 10 drops of moringa oil, and then 5 to 10 drops of a beneficial essential oil such as lavender or tea tree oil. Mix the oils together in a glass bowl or bottle, apply to the hair, and make sure to massage it into the roots. Cover the hair and leave on overnight, and then shampoo and condition the hair as usual. Once you work with that method for a couple of weeks, then try to clarify your hair and scalp with a deep cleansing shampoo, towel dry it gently, then apply the oil and allow the oil to absorb for 20 minutes, then hop back into the shower and proceed with your normal daily shampoo and conditioner. And as far as the best products I've come across, I like the one by Mother Nature Organics. They have a moringa oil that's cold pressed from moringa seeds, organic lab verified, and cruelty free. I left a link down below to pick one up, so definitely check that out when you get a chance. And remember, if you're shopping around for moringa oil, the oil should smell slightly nutty and a pale yellow color. Also, make sure to read the ingredient list because some brands may have little or no moringa oil at all included in the formula. Click the red subscribe button and let me know what your thoughts are down below. Also give this video a like so I know you did enjoy it. And if you want me to go over any other condition, let me know, as I'd be happy to take suggestions. And until then, guys, I'll see you on the next one.